morning. We're going to do a little game this morning that you guys can use at home to work on your math facts. We call it roll and record, and you just take dice. So the original roll and record has 2 dice, and you roll them and you make an equation, but since we're smart first graders, right? Real smart? Yeah. Yes, you are. We're going to jump to 3 because that's what we're working on this week. So I'm going to teach this to my class before we do math today. And then we're going to go on, we'll do the math lesson in a little bit. So you get 3 dice, 2 dice. You can even do this with cards, parents, if you don't have dice, but it's a great way to have them working on equations at home. Excuse me. So here we go. So we're going to roll the dice. Now, class,
Yes.
I want you working with me on my paper for now, and then we'll come around with yours. So please don't roll your dice. Please don't write any equations yet. Right now, I just want your eyes on the target. The target's what? Me or the board? The board. Okay, so I rolled my dice, and what numbers did I come up with, class? What's my first number? 2. Okay, so what's my second number?
4.
Oh, let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 5 plus what? 3. Okay, so that's our equation with 3 add-ins. All right? And the thing with this is if they're having difficulty with adding 3 numbers together, they have the dots right there. Okay, so we're going to start with our big number because we know we have 5, right? So 5, count on, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 5 plus 3 equals 10. I have my equation. Parents, when they're writing on paper, if you need some handwriting paper to go home, send us a dojo. We'll put it in their folder. We'll get it for them. White paper right now is sometimes a little hard because they're not quite used to using white paper. So I can just, if you need to, you can even do on the white paper 2 lines. Let me show you. Do 2 lines and make this the dotted line for them. That works a little bit if they're having a hard time with the normal lines. All right, let's roll it again. We pick it up. We shake it, shake it, shake it. The rule is you drop it on your paper. We don't want dice flying everywhere. These ones don't fly very far, but you drop it, put them together. What's my first number, class?
1.
Can y'all tell me in the full equation? 1 what?
1 plus 3 equals 2.
Oh, I heard 1 plus 3 equals 2. Is that right? It should be 1 plus 3 plus 2 equals something because we have 3 numbers, so I need 3. What is it? 6. Very good. So that's the roll and record. Easy to do. Like I said, if you have playing cards are easy. Flip over 3 because it already has the pictures on there as well. Okay? We'll see y'all in a little bit when we do math. Okay. Welcome back. We've played a little roll and record this morning. We're going to work on lesson 3.5 today. Parents, we're having an issue with our upload for some reason. And so we're going to have to probably start doing it in 2 parts. So I've set a timer. We'll stop it and we'll start a new video and hopefully that uploads. So there will be 2 videos of math to get the whole assignment done. Okay, are y'all ready?
Yep.
All right, let's go. Add 3 numbers to solve problems. I can find the sum of 3 numbers to solve word problems. So again, we're going to have that 3 add-in equation. Please write this on your paper to give you a guide of how it should look. Something plus something equals something plus something plus something equals something. And then we're going to work it out. Here we go. A plant has 5 leaves on top, 2 leaves in the middle, and 1 leaf on the bottom. How many leaves does the plant have? Okay, so what do I need to circle? What's my important stuff in there?
5.
5 what?
And 2.
5 leaves. And what else? 2 leaves. And what else? 1 leaf. Very good. So 1 leaf at the bottom. Kind of looks like Miss Bryant's plants. I kill plants all the time. So, how many how many leaves does the plant have? Let me circle that. How many? That's going to tell me I need to do some equaling, adding them all together to find the sum. Do you need me to zoom in a bit? Use objects to show the problem. Think. I can use connecting cubes to show each add-in. Well, we don't have connecting cubes at home. Do y'all have connecting cubes at home? I don't. So what can we show on our paper to show our work? What kind of drawing? Circles. So this is what I had the kids do yesterday who were here with me. Do a 5, and then we're going to draw a line, and that's where my 5 circles go. The next number is 2. Draw 2. The next number is 1. Draw your 1. That is where your circles go. Now, class. Hands, 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 and eyes. Hands, 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 and eyes. Draw your circles first. Then when you're done drawing everything, you may put your numbers inside your circle. Okay? That way we remember to count on. Don't put 1, 1, 1. Nope. We got to count on. Okay? Draw your circles. I'll come around and check. Okay, so if we have our circles, we should have 5 at the top. Make sure they're big enough. You guys can write your numbers in them. Okay? Now, what did I not put in them that I need to put in them? Numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do I need to, what's the next number that I need to do? 6. Count on. Perfect. Do not put 1, 2, 1. No, remember, we have to be counting on, first graders. So we're going to count on 6, 7, and this one would be what? 8. Awesome. Great job. So now I have to make an equation. Well, it wants me to group 2 add-ins together. It's having us always take my 3 and go from 3 to just 2, right? Okay. So what 2 should we add together? Should we add together 5 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 5 plus 1? Does it matter? Does it? It doesn't, because no matter what I add, I should get the same number. So I'm going to circle this in orange. Elizabeth, what 2 numbers should I add together? 5 and 2. And awesome, because if we have 5 and 2 together, we already know the answer. What's the answer? 7. So my equation is going to say 7 plus what number?
8.
Not 8. 1. 7 plus 1 equals what number? 8. There we go. 7 plus 1 equals 8. We already added those 2 together by counting on. So boom, that made it easy. So my equation at the bottom is going to say all 3 of these numbers. What are these numbers? 5 plus 2 plus 1 equals what? 8. My plant has how many leaves? 8. 8. Step it out. That's what we're going to do. Joe has 2 cats. Dawn has 2 cats. And Sandy has 6 cats. How many cats do they have all together? All together is a word we haven't heard much this semester, but that is telling me right there we're going to be doing some addition. We're going to add those 2 together. Okay? What do I need to circle? What are some important words to circle in my word problem? 2 cats, 6 cats, and 2 more cats. Good job, good job. How many do they have all together? So, decide which add-ins we're going to add together first. Here is one way. They made this little carrot, and they're saying right here that I'm going to add together 2 plus 2. That's a doubles fact, right? Okay. Okay, 2 plus 2. What is 2 plus 2, first graders? What's 2 plus 2? 4. So since we added these two numbers together, we're going to come down and put our 4 right here. Now, this little guy right here has not been added yet. What do I do with him? What do I do with him? Add him to what? Not the 2. The what? Put your mask. Can I hear you? Tell me. I can't hear you. Where do I put it? On the what? After the 4. So this 6 has to come down here. So now we're adding 4 plus 6. What's 4 plus 6? Grab that big number. 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Now wait a minute. They want us, we'll add a few more minutes and see. They want us to, here is another way. They put these two together. Is that going to change my sum? It shouldn't. What's 2 plus 6? Not 2 plus 6 is not 10. 2 plus 6 is 8. 6, 7, 8. We're going to drop our 8 right here. And then we have to bring this guy down. The 2 needs to be added together. 2 plus 8 equals 8, 9, 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Joe, Dawn, and Sandy have how many cats? 10 cats. Okay? And we could have, should have, this is Miss Bryant's fault, we should have had our circles drawn over here, 2 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we could have put numbers in those. Okay? All right, let me stop this video and we'll come back for part 2.